Hello everyone, I'm Trish Triumpho Sullivan, and I'm going to be your instructor for Art History 1A. It's going to be an exciting class this semester, you guys, because art is pretty cool, and so is history. So we're going to be covering let me put this up here for a sec. We're going to be covering kind of zero, like the beginning of art history, through the Renaissance. My name is Trish Triumpho Sullivan. As I said, I'm going to be your instructor for this class. You can call me Trish, you can call me Ms. Sullivan, you can call me Professor, Prof. Sullivan. Just don't call me late for dinner because I never am. You can contact me at psullivan@hartnell.edu, or if you need to contact me for an art emergency, you can contact me at 831-594-1799, calling or texting, okay? Our book for the class is going to be Gardner's Art Through the Ages, Volume 1, okay? And any edition will do, right? Any edition. So don't worry about whether it's an old book or whatever. Whatever edition you have will work. So the class format for this, class is going to be recorded lectures like this one, where I have it posted on YouTube, okay? Movies and films, a lot of reading in your book, class discussion, and chat on Canvas, okay? We're going to be meeting once a week on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. We're going to take a little vote on that on the first day just to make sure. So we'll be meeting this Tuesday, right, which will be in 2 days at 4 p.m. So the class is going to be fun, not only because art is fun, but because history is fascinating. And the fact is that you can't have art without the history. And that's a really important distinction. So we'll talk about that more. Attendance, we're going to have our weekly Zoom meeting for about an hour where we're going to have class discussion, and attendance is required for that. So if you miss class, you'll have to watch our video, the recorded video of the Zoom meeting, and take notes on that, okay? And then at the end, there'll be a secret word that you'll have to email me. So, oh yeah, we've got a secret word. So for this class, you'll need to take notes. If I write it on the board on my lecture, I recommend that you definitely take note, write it down, take notes of that, when I write it on the board, because if I write it on the board, it's probably going to be on a test. First hint, very important, on the board, on a test. So important to write that stuff down so you have your notes. So class attendance is going to be really important for this class. So if you miss class, like I said, you'll have to watch the recorded video. But you'll also lose points because the class discussion is really, really important. We'll be doing some chat discussion as well on Canvas. And you'll have a couple of papers that you'll need to write. And we'll have 2 tests. And that's pretty much the whole class. It's lecture, movies or films, right? Reading and class discussion. A lot of note-taking, because note-taking and flashcards are almost required for this class. You will not be able to pass the class unless you take notes. But here's the cool thing. All the tests are open book and open notes, and you can call your lifeline if you want to. So I look forward to seeing you in class on Tuesday. Have a good rest of your weekend.